What's that? Hey, are you okay? What happened here? Whoa! A mermaid! Look at her. She's beautiful.
I totally heard that.
Should I kiss her? Here goes.
Well, hello, handsome. Kiss me. Wait, it was a dream? Well, that's disappointing. Ugh, legs. I was really hoping I had a fishtail. Wait, why don't I just become one? How hard can it be? I've got my pictures and my mermaid tail. Let's get to work. Wow, I really suit that. I've got some flippers. Let's try them on. The perfect fit. Now I need to tape them together. Why didn't I think of this before? I'll wrap the flippers in the tape. That's the last piece. Look at that! A mermaid tail! It doesn't really have that wow factor. What was I thinking? I have a better idea! All I need is some cardboard and a pair of scissors. A little cut here and there. Check this out! It looks good! I'm finally… Aw, come on. This is a disaster, but I'm not giving up.
Yo, what can I do for you?
I need your help.
Is that all?
This is so exciting!
Check out my latest creations! Whoa!
So this is my vision board. I want to glide through the water, but I have to shimmer.
What? But…
Got it?
These dresses are sparkly!
No! Let me simplify it. This is a girl doll, and this is a fish. Together, they make a mermaid.
Oh, I get it. I'll be right back.
So, what are we doing?
Check this out. Hold still.
I always wanted to be a muse.
I wouldn't go that far. Don't move!
Wow, you're an artist. How's it looking?
And now, my favorite part. It's time to make you shine. All we need is this super special glitter. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Sparkle, sparkle.
Wow, I don't believe it! I'm a mermaid! All my dreams are coming true!
It's gonna cost ya.
Oh right, just give me a moment.
Yeah, you didn't think this through, huh?
Got it! Wait right there! Here you go. It was worth every penny. Wow, this is the best day ever. But I can't wear this. I have to change. Let me think. Aha! This is what I'm looking for. My old clothes box. It's been a while since I opened it. Huh? What's this doing in here? What else have we got? This is a pile of junk. Nope. No way.
Phew. Made it. There must be an easier way to do this. But a real artist never complains. What the… Hey lady!
Okay, I have no idea where this came from. Ooh, this is more like it. Just what I need. But something's missing. I know. I'll need some shells. I guess I'm going to the beach. I wanted to work on my tan anyway. Wow, smell that sea air. It just feels like home. This seems like a good spot. Oh, I'm supposed to be catching shells. This shouldn't take long. Yoo-hoo! Shells, where are you? Oh, I think I've got something! And it's something big! Are you kidding me? It's junk! Wait a second! There's shells in there! I hit the jackpot! These are great! I'm gonna look amazing! I better hop back home! There's no time to lose. I'll place the shells on my top. Then I'll paint them an aquatic blue. This isn't right. It's missing something. I know. Psst! Tina! What's that? Yoink! You just missed it. So I was with Kevin. Wait! Hey! Stop! Thief! The perfect crime. I can stick the pearls to the top. It just adds a little glimmer. And then I'll stick more around the shells. These little starfish are so adorable. I think it's ready. I can't wait to try it on.
Whoa, that's fabulous.
It's even better than I imagined.
You've got a natural talent, lady. Whoops, I thought I was a goner.
Huh? Who said that? Hey! Get out of here!
What? I thought we had a connection.
Beat it! Can you believe that? Some people… I can use this shower cap. I've cut a hole on the top. It's wonderful. Now I can finally relax. Ooh, look at that. La 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 la. Ooh, me do that. Sha-la-la! Wee-oh!
What's all the noise? Annie, stop it!
Wait, I'm finding my pitch.
My ears! That's it!
Huh? What's going on?
Phew, it's finally over. I can hear again. What?
That's a juicy apple. I needed that. That was pretty good.
You nailed it, sweetie.
I knew it. I felt like I was in the zone. Okay, gotta go.
Oh, she's gone at last. I'm glad I bought these earbuds.
What a day! Life as a mermaid is just how I imagined it. Oh, hey, Dolly. I think you need a makeover. We could be mermaid twins. You would look so good. This tail is totally your color. Wait a second. Wait right there. We need to lose these blonde locks. A quick snip and they'll be gone. You needed a new look. That is one bald head. Now I'll use a needle and thread. This is more your color. Wow, it's gorgeous. Now I'll reattach your body. So far so good. Hands up. Relax, I'm just wrapping you in aluminum foil. It'll feel nice and snug. I'll use these wooden sticks to secure the fishtail. Now I'll cover it with modeling clay. I'll shape it around your legs and tail. Next, I'll need my glue gun. I'll cover the clay with the glue. I'll apply it in a wave pattern. I want it to look like fish scales. I'll add little flicks here. Before it sets, I want to add one more thing. A little sprinkle of glitter. This'll be the finishing touch. It'll make such a difference. The green really contrasts against the blue. Now we need to get you a top. We have to hide your shame. Wow, you're the prettiest mermaid ever! I have a surprise for you! Welcome to your new home! Make yourself comfortable. I hope you like it. My work here is done. I suppose I better do my makeup. But it needs to be suitable for a mermaid. I have a great idea. I need this stocking. I'll slip it over my head. I feel like I'm about to rob a bank. Okay, I've got my makeup brush. I'll start with this blue. I'll apply it in a circular motion. I'll do it on each side of my face. Maybe I'll try a light purple. Ooh, this one's nice. I only need a light coating. I'll blend it with the blue. I can take the stocking off now. Can't wait to see how I look. Wow, it looks just like fish scales. But it can be better. I'll add glitter to it. We all need to sparkle in life. I'll stick gems to my skin. I'll be the most stylish mermaid ever. Can't forget about my eyeshadow. I'll blend the colors. I want it all to match. I'm so happy with this. A quick flick of mascara. I'm glad I've got a steady hand. I don't want to ruin all my hard work. Then I'll get my lashes looking good. What a transformation! Ooh, I almost forgot. I'll need some lipstick. I love this shade. It'll make my lips stand out. It's amazing. I'll let it dry. Then I'll give them a layer of gloss. It just gets better and better. Just look at them. So kissable. Mwah! But I'm not putting my brush down. I'll add glitter across my chest. I don't need a lot. Sometimes less is more. I can't stop looking at it. Wow, that's my makeup done. My hair could use some work. And I know just what to do. All I need is this pen. I'll run it over strands of my hair. Just like this. Who needs an expensive salon? I just hope it's waterproof. I'll take my time. I don't want to miss any spots. Now for the other side. Wow, it's so dramatic. I just love the color. I think I'm ready. I'm finally a mermaid. I feel fantastic. Huh? Someone's at the door. I better answer it. Hold on. I'm on my way. Hello?
Hey, did you order… Whoa. Hi. You're beautiful.
You really think so? That's so sweet.
Do you believe in fate?
Of course I do. Some things are just meant to be.
Just like this moment. Meh, my breath's been worse. How about a kiss?
Is this really happening? He's so cute. Kiss me. Are you kidding me? Whoa! I've got a tail? Maybe it wasn't a dream after all!
Subscribe. This is so exciting! Yep. We'll be inside in a second.
Next! Let's see your invitations.
Here it is!
You can go.
Wow!
So magical. Wow. There they go! I can't wait for my turn. Hi! Don't worry. I have my invitation as well.
Ms., it's a mermaid party, and you're not a mermaid.
Oh.
I feel bad for her. Hey, wait!
Huh?
Maybe this might help.
Okay. I don't understand how a card is supposed to help. I have major FOMO. I really wanted to go. What is happening? Whoa. Should I be scared?
Yoo-hoo! I'm here!
Wow. Are you my fairy godmother? I mean, mermaid godmother?
Yeah. I'm here to help.
Ah! Ah!
Why are we screaming? Much better.
I need a mermaid makeover to go to this party.
Oh dear. I'm the right person for the job. My makeover kit has everything we'll need.
Wow.
Ta-da!
So cool. Where do we begin? Let's check this one out.
Wow.
So, what do I do?
First, we play. My turn.
Here's my move.
Who's gonna win?
Me.
Bravo!
Thanks.
Here are your rewards.
I can't believe it.
Okay, now, I think we should begin with this.
Huh?
Trust me, you're gonna love it.
I'm not so sure about that. You were right. It's so relaxing. Face!
This is what sheet masks are for. And those chapped lips desperately need some moisture. Now we wait. Time's up!
Loved the mango flavor.
Voila! Perfect skin.
Wow! Thank you so much. Aw,
You got… Hang on. This situation required more than just a toothpick. My little helpers are ready for some cleaning action. I promise this toothpaste won't taste fishy. Come on, brushy brush.
And
Wow, I need sunglasses. Let's continue. We shouldn't waste any time.
I pick this one. What does it do? So enchanting. Okay, a glass?
That's right. You need to find the best hairstyle.
I better get to work. It's like a flashlight. Uh-oh.
So? What's so funny? Change it back.
I don't know how.
Gimme, I'll do it. Not this. Maybe? Nope. I'm scared of clowns. Back to the fishy. The crab. Aha! This is it.
Wow, so pretty.
Something's missing. I know. Your crown. I feel like a queen. Look, time's up.
We did it! We win this round too.
I think it's time for the makeup. You know what to do.
I pick this one. This is exciting!
And the new game is there. Easy. Come on, chop chop. You gotta win.
I hope I can do it before the countdown ends. Why is this so confusing? Oh no, I have very little time left.
Quick, get back to work.
Come on. Ugh, so stressful.
Maybe I can stop the time.
Aha! I figured it out. There! I did it!
Phew.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. This was tough.
I wonder what our reward will be. Let's see. Wow. But this one's weird. What am I supposed to do with it?
Stop! You're gonna tear it. It goes on your face.
Are you sure? This feels wrong.
I know what I'm doing. Trust the process and leave it to the pros, aka me. Done! I used my favorite colors.
Wow, these are the mermaid colors indeed.
Maybe a bright smoky eye? Yes! This was a good move. Pay attention. I'm teaching you the best eyeliner hack. Looking sharp. This is the definition of a piercing look. Some lip gloss with crushed pearls for shiny lips.
I love my new look.
Not to brag, but I did a great job. Oh no, not on my watch. You need a party manicure.
But I don't know how to do that.
Honey, this is what the magic box is for.
Oh, you're right. Let's see what challenge I have to complete to get the best mermaid nails.
You got this. Just make sure to finish it before the countdown.
Honestly, I'm having so much fun doing this. It looks beautiful.
Huh. I wonder who's calling me. Hello? Oh, it's you.
One more color drop. This is mesmerizing, hypnotizing.
Mwah! Talk soon. Huh? Uh-oh. Snap out of it.
Huh? What? Where?
The challenge, remember?
Oh no, I failed.
Dear, let's just continue, okay?
Sure. Let's go with the white one. Wow, I'll never get tired of this. I need to win this round.
Don't forget about the time, okay?
Yep, let's do it. I'll create the best mermaid tail. Love the pink and gray color palette here. And done.
Wait, no!
Take a look. Huh? No!
Oh boy, you forgot to glue them?
Yep, guilty as charged. I still have some time left. I'll be fast. Oh no, I can't find the last piece. What do I do?
I can't see it anywhere. Here, take one of mine.
You're the best. I'll be forever grateful for this. Done.
Yay! Good job! Look at your rewards.
Where are they? I have a tail! I'm a real mermaid now! Thank you! I owe this to you!
Don't thank me yet. One last thing to do. Come on, open it.
What is this?
Have fun!
Wow, I'm riding in style. Princess style. I'm ready to take the spotlight. So glad I made it. Hello, sir? Remember me?
Oh my! Wow! I still need to see your invitation though.
Of course! Here it is!
One more mermaid check. Yep, all good. Have fun.
Whoa! I will! Thanks! Let's swim to the castle. This whole place looks amazing!